This is a 2021 GMC Savana 3500 cutaway box truck. It is a 16-foot box and it has the big 6.6 liter V8, which is, I think, the best motor they've put in one of these, maybe ever. We've had luck with all of them over the years, but at this altitude here in Denver, these 6.6s are just great. Box is in pretty good shape. You got one, if it'll focus here, sorry I'm in the sun. You get the one scrape here, but other than that, pretty dang sharp. It does have the full-size ramp there. No damage up top. So many of these are prone to us seeing them kind of caved in on the corners because people just don't regard tree branches, stuff like that. But this one doesn't have any of that. Power windows and locks. Let's go open up the back door for you. Nice smooth rollers. No water damage that I see. Inside's in good shape. No leaks or anything. Really good condition box. Air is ice cold, but let's turn it down for us here. This one has pretty good miles, 88,539. Tow haul if you were to need it. But this one, it's weird they equipped it this well. It's got lane keeping and collision assistance, PowerPoint. Just a really, it's a nice van. Let's pop the hood here for you. Tires are in good shape. Pretty good tread on them still. Can I do this one-handed? Yes. So it is the 6.6 liter. Sounds great. We've had it to our shop. It's been inspected and serviced. It just got done with detail. Like, it's ready to roll. We got a few box trucks, but if you have any questions about this one or any of the others, give us a call here at the dealership. You can reach us at 303-286-1665 or on our website, dieautos.com, DYEAUTOS.com. Thank you.